cross, lay down his sweet head. The stars in the sky looked down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hill. Close by me forever and love me, I pray. Bless all the dear children in thy tender care, and fit us for heaven to live with thee there.
I hope above all that wherever you are healthy and that you are well, and that you always remember that God cares far more about the condition of your heart than the position of your hands. I hope you have a great day. Bye.